Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about aggregate functions. SQL is having so many predefined functions and aggregate functions. They are used to summarize the output. For an example, if we want to sum any column or find the maximum or in order to find the minimum value, we use these aggregate functions. Let's discuss these aggregate functions one by one. First of all, I'm going to create a new table. Table name will be employee. Then we have employee ID. Data type will be int. Employee name. Data type will be vacha. Salary. Data type will be float. And then employee department. Data type vacha. Query got executed. These are the columns that we created. Now let's insert some data. ID will be 1, name equal Raj, salary 2000, department IT. Let's add a few more data. Here is our employee table. We have 10 rows and columns: employee ID, employee name, salary and department. Inside the salary column we have 2 null values. Now let's discuss about first aggregate function, which is count. How to use count function? Select, then count keyword. The column that we want to count is salary column. Here inside the salary column you will see 2 null values. When we using this count function, we want to remove these null values and we will count only valid salary values. Salary. Then as count, we will create a new column which has the name count. And these are selected from the employee table. Now let's run this one and see the output. Here you will see a new column with the name of count is created. In the original table, we had 10 rows, but it will show this table has only 8 salary counts because it will remove all the null values from their count. So simply we can say that count function is used to count a row. Now let's move count all function. This count all function also will count rows. This star function means all the rows will be counted, including the null values. Let's write the code for count all function. Select count all as count. It means it will create a column with the name count from table employee. Here this will show count value as 10 because it will count the null values as well. Then next aggregate function is sum. We used sum for the addition of particular columns. In this table we have a salary column and guess we want to get the sum of the salaries. Let's see how this sum aggregate function works. Select sum. We want to get the sum of salary column. Then we add salary inside the brackets. From which table? Employee table. Here total salary will be 19,000. Here you will see it says no column name. I haven't specified a column to show our sum value. Then let's rewrite our sum function. Select sum salary as column name will be sum from the table employee. Let's execute this one. Here you will see sum column contains 19,000. Now I want to show you what is this maximum function. Here is our table. I want to find out the maximum salary. Let's see what happens. Select max function. Column name will be salary because we want to find maximum salary as max from the table employee. Maximum salary is 4,000. Here you will see Viraj has the maximum salary 4,000 and Anura has maximum salary 4,000. Now let's find out minimum function. We use this minimum function to find out the minimum value. From the table employee, I want to select minimum salary. Let's see the output. Minimum salary is 1000. Now let's see what is average function. We use this average function to find out the average value of a particular column. Let's try this one. Select average. We want to find out the average of salary column and show that as AVG from table employee. This is the average salary, 2375. This is how we used aggregate functions, count, min, max, average and sum. This is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.